I failed. That's the one.
Seb, he's fired. He checked a bag.
Henry, you're hired. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Did you just hire him back?
Yeah.
Seriously though,
Are we missing somebody?
Well, 8 of us got on the plane, and then there's only 7 of us in the limo.
See.
Because tens of times.
And then we have, who do we forget at the airport?
I don't know.
Do we forget somebody at the airport?
Yes.
Who?
You waiting on somebody?
No, I don't.
You sure? You...
Standing out there?
No, it's just 7. 7. That's it. We're good. You can go. Why? Why do you want my phone?
Fix it.
I don't trust you.
It's totally legit.
No, no, it's
I
not.
told him how to do a thing, and he needs to do that thing to your thing.
What? So this stupid thermostat apparently turns off after you leave the room, which I'm not okay with because it gets so hot. It's at like 113 degrees outside. So let's try this. While holding down display, press off, then press the up arrow, release. Wow, that was so easy. Okay, cool. So now, it goes lower now. So apparently that disables the room occupancy sensor and lowers the minimum temperature setting. Yes. What are you doing, Alec?
I'm wiring up our POS system.
Square's legit.
And we're doing Ethernet.
It's wired with a VPN connection,
Yes, it
as
is.
far as I have heard.
Yeah, we're gonna use this little guy.
Yeah, is that a packet squirrel?
It is.
Oh my god.
And
we're using our own product to secure our own network. Ha! Look at our amazing bins. Wow! What?
Ducky bunny, turtle squirrel.
Ducky, bunny, turtle, squirrel. Are they all the same way? Ducky, bunny, turtle, squirrel.
And if they're not, Sarah will hurt me.
Ducky, bunny, turtle, squirrel. Sarah will hurt you?
Sarah will hurt me.
Oh,
Ducky,
yeah.
bunny, turtle, squirrel. Ducky, bunny, turtle, squirrel.
So welcome everybody, this is DEF CON 26, 2018. We are currently setting up our booth and super excited about it. So far everything is going really well and I think we're on target.
Hack 5!
Are we-
Hack 5! You're the girl from Hack 5.
No,
Hack
no,
5.
no, I'm not. See, this is why I want to buy a horse mask. So I can wear the horse mask when I'm walking through all the halls and nobody knows who I am. So I can get to the bathroom a lot faster. But check this out, I'm so proud. I didn't do anything, to be honest. What's in there? A nano-tactical. What's in there? A nano-tactical. Yeah, I wrote that. The next thing I gotta show you. I'm so stoked about this. It's a little dirty right now because we just ate, but we have a freaking studio right here on the show floor. Look at that. So luckily I have a good enough lens that it will show everything with the wide cam. So I'm super, super stoked about it. I can't wait until we start recording some interviews here. What? What is this?
Oh, hello.
Who are you? Oh my god.
Are you drinking in the vendor area? I can't believe what is going on.
I think
well, I never.
What is this?
Words about all this, I swear. How are you, Shannon?
Good. How are you?
So good to see you. So good to see you. It is so. It feels
So-
like coming home.
It does. So I just hit 10,000 subscribers on my personal YouTube channel.
Congratulations!
I'm so totally excited about. Oh my god.
That's one of my
So-
favorite things that pops up in my Twitter feed. I guess you remind people of your Disney adventures.
Oh, yeah.
And I always enjoy.
It's the Sailor Moon shit and the Disney adventures and all that random crap that I tweet about. But what is your YouTube channel for my fans who are watching my travel vlogs?
Okay, Modern Rogue. Everybody loves a Modern Rogue.
Yes.
That's spell it right. R-O-G-U-E. Remember, the word rogue has an O-G in it, and the O-G stands for old guys. It's me and my buddy, Jason Murphy. You're gonna love it.
And then you also do
Scam School. Yeah, I figure I think the whole world knows about Scam School by now. And if they don't, then
That's egotistical.
well, no. I'm just gonna assume. Yeah, no, you're okay. It is. You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
And you're
You're-
selling things.
Yeah. Okay. So tons of stuff. If you're a fan of Scam School, we got magic stuff. If you like Modern Rogue, we got secret spy gizmos.
Yes. I already told him to save one of these for me.
Oh, yeah.
This looks dope.
This is my
AF.
favorite thing that we've ever put together. So we have our own original deck of cards called Outlaws Crimson, and this is the vault that
The
has
vault.
an entire backstory encrypted in it. And once you understand the story, then you figure out the combination, because it kind of it leads you to a guess to figure out how to open it. Once it's open, inside, not only do you get the premium deck of cards, there's two of them, right? 2 premium decks of cards, but then also you get a unique numbered challenge coin, and for the rest of your life, when we ever meet in person at some convention or con or South by Southwest or whatever, you flash that thing, I owe you a drink right there on the spot.
So
that
you
is
flash
a real thing. I'm so excited about this. I think the hackers are gonna love it.
I already told him to save me one, so
Okay.
I'm definitely going to have
There's
to.
one hacker that loves it, and
Yes.
that's all that matters.
No, dude, I'm going to assume that you're going to
Came
sell
here
out of
just
it.
for you. Just for you.
Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Brian, it's so good to see you again.
Hugs. You get smelly
Aw.
hugs. I haven't showered yet.
That's okay, neither have I. I haven't shaved either.
Oh no!
It is time for the DEF CON. Are you ready? Yep. All right. Let's go. Coffee. 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 Coffee, 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 coffee. So we just got to the vendor hall. I wasn't allowed into my own booth because I have a press badge, not a vendor badge.
Evil press badge.
Evil press badge doesn't allow me into my own booth before hours so that I can beat the zombie horde. But at least security is doing their job, so I do appreciate that. Thank you. Look, I got my badge. It's Baron's badge. Oh, so many feet. Look at all the feet. Look at all the feet. So many feet. All right, we officially have about 10 minutes before the vendor hall opens to everybody that is attending DEF CON. And I gotta say, the lines are crazy outside. It's gonna be a wild year. But real quick, I wanted to show you the final booth, because it looks incredible and everybody on the team has really worked their butts off and made it look amazing. So they deserve so much credit. Just look at this. So this is my set. I have cartoons on my set. I've always wanted cartoons on my set. We have our LEDs, amazing. Brand new books. We have a gumball machine this year. You gotta see what's inside, it's amazing. Look at our signage. Ah, it's incredible.
That's me.
Yes, girl. Did you fall?
No, I went down the stairs.
Great display. And look at who's back. He brought her back. So happy. This is my child. She's back in my life. She'll probably disappear again after the con, but that's okay. Because now I know that she always returns. She's like a runaway. Look at these pins, so cool. This game was created by Darren Kitchen, and I gotta say, it's surprisingly enjoyable. I've played this at least 5 times now, and it's really fun. What are you doing?
Stealing
Why
garbage.
do you give me back my? That's not garbage.
Okay, drink it all.
I still have some left in here.
A few sips.
Thank you for getting me a venti. I appreciate that.
You needed the coffee.
I do. I asked for a grande and you gave me a venti, and that means the world to me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go man the studio booth. So, hey man, good luck! Kick ass, sell all the things! Gotta respect the privacy. What's up, dudes?
Hey, what's going on? He hacks people.
Yeah.
You hack
social
people.
engineering.
Yeah, not like
Dope.
bodies, but, you know, like social engineering.
I mean, it could be bodies.
Yeah.
He's like, no.
I hacked him to death.
Give me your badge.
Jason, what are you doing?
I am squirreling around a little bit.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god. What? What? Oh my god. What? Jason!
And also, I need people to help me sticker this thing.
Yeah, you do. You need all the freebies. Oh, well, thanks, dude. I'll put a sticker on your thing, on your squirrel. Oh.
Oh, a little adventure is all I really need. Oh, a little adventure I really need. I really need. I really need. Is all I really need. Get a little money up my sleeve.
Nice.
Oh, wait, wrong way.
There you go.
Nice. Nice.
That's a little hard. Oh, you have a chance for sub 1 minute.
All the easy ones.
That's okay.
Your magic wand is. It worked! So cool.
I'll do it again.
Magic wand.
I'll try to turn it back on. Gotta find the right place for the IR sensor. There it goes.
No way.
Isn't that cool?
Now I believe it.
All you.
So freaking cute. Little Babs.